Save her? What?
Oh my god.
Today I'm reacting to the viral clip where Tyra pretends to faint in front of the girls and everyone starts panicking. And it's as unhinged as I thought, so let's take a look, shall we? Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello.
Hi.
How is everybody?
I'm okay, I'm not bad.
Pressure or anything? What's the hardest
All the
part
time.
of being in this competition? Not knowing
That
what's
no
gonna
one's
happen
paid.
next. Really? Well, you guys are the top 9, so you've gotten this far. So is it hard walking into the judging room and? Yes. I've been working so hard. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't mean to be all weak in front of you, but I'm just so lightheaded.
Somebody bring some water, some pizza, some juice.
All right.
Save her? What?
Oh my God.
Touch her palm, check her palm.
Oh my god, Veranda's face. Veranda's face.
Today you guys are gonna learn about acting! We're gonna learn about acting! Acting! That was fake!
That was a good job.
Okay, thanks for letting us know. Okay. That was very random. Okay. Where's the Oscar for the best performance? Does she already have one? I don't know, but I would guess that she does based on what we just saw. She was believable at this point when she's like rethinking her life. She's like, what am I doing here? Why am I doing this? That's when I was like, yeah, this seems real. I love how the girls are like, check her pulse. Like she's just died. You have like, and also none of the none of the producers, no one stepped in. They're just like, it's okay. Well, Mr. J, it is your time to shine now. Perhaps it's your show. If Tyra passed out like this before giving me a paycheck, I don't know how I would feel. Then I would have just done all this for nothing. Like they would have put me in a clown costume and made me skydive, do a skydiving photo shoot, put me in the water for no reason. And I would be upset. I have to watch The Fall again.
Somebody bring some water, some pizza, some juice.
All right.
She just falls.
Oh my God.
Her hair is covering her baby. I can't get over Veranda's face. This poor girl really was probably stressed out, okay, in this situation. She doesn't know what to do. She's worried. Tyra's completely faking this, okay? These poor girls have gone through enough. Now they think that you've passed out and there's a medical emergency. You know, Veranda went home and was like, what the hell happened today?
I'm all right.
Like this is, yeah, right here.
Today you guys are gonna learn about acting!
Oh my God. Look at the
Learn about acting! Acting!
Look at Danielle's face. This is the face of like, you know, when you've gone through something stressful and then something more stressful happens and you have another reaction. That's what Danielle recoils. Couldn't she have acted like, hey, I'm gonna quit the show, I'm gonna pay you guys for your time? Couldn't you have done that instead of faked that you passed out and something serious happened? Just a thought.
That was a good job.
Oh. Are you okay?
I think Tyra's too good of an actress, and that was a very mean trick that she played on us.
Well, I did that because you guys are going to be learning all about acting this week, and it's about being...
Veranda's having an emotional reaction to what just happened. She really thought something serious happened to Tyra, who she clearly cares about. And she comforts her for a second. And then she's like, okay, well, today, the reason I did that, I had to fake my own death, but it was for your benefit because now you're going to learn about acting. And then you too can fake your own death in front of the ones that love and cherish you, or at least pretend to pass out.
Well, I did that because you guys are going to be learning all about acting.
It's
this
for
week,
education.
And it's about being convincing, and it's about being real. You have to
Being
be
real.
able to be in a commercial and say the words and be convincing. All right, so that is why I did this, to show you gotta go for it and you gotta commit.
You gotta
to make
commit.
up for what I just did to you. I have these shirts for you. This is a little gift from me.
A shirt. That's
I
it.
want all of you guys to shine. I want all of you guys to be good actress models.
I am going to shine. So let me get this straight. You pretended, you faked a medical emergency, traumatized all these girls. After all that, she gifts them these t-shirts. I love how Tyra's like, to make up what I just did to you.
Robert, where are the t-shirts I asked you to make while we were at the Ritz-Carlton having breakfast? You glued the letters on. Okay, make me shine. Okay, good. I don't really care what it says. Just put anything. You think models can read? Please. Just put anything on there. They'll like whatever I give them. I'm their inspiration and the reason that they're modeling. Ferranda, why would you be upset that I just passed out in front of you? Like, have you ever watched a movie? It's not real. But I want you to be real in acting because that's why I did all of this, so that you can be a better actress. Because this is America's Next Top Model. I can't teach you everything, Ferranda, okay? Now just pass out on the carpet right here. Okay, each of you guys one by one. I'm gonna need you guys to pass out in front of each other.
That is one way to introduce the challenge for America's Next Top Model. It's the only way to introduce the challenge.
These shirts for you. This is a little gift from me.
It's a gift from Tyra.
I want all of you guys to shine. I want all of you guys to be good.
I am going to shine. It's like a pajama set. At least, okay, if you're gonna give a gift after something like this, I need it to be cash, a Visa gift card, all-inclusive resort vacation somewhere. She gives them a pajama set. They have the little shorts here. I'm going to shine, but I'm not going to pay my bills, Tyra, because where's the money?
I want all of you guys to be good actress models and make your little mama proud. See you later.
She just leaves. She's like, bye, guys.
I cannot act. I'm so gullible.
The fact that she would do that is just wild. These models see Tyra as their inspiration, someone that they really care about and aspire to be like. And so for her to even pretend to like something has happened to her and then have them panic like that, I think I don't know. I feel like that went a little far, don't you? What do you guys think? Is this okay because she's introducing an acting challenge? Leave your thoughts in the comments. It's Tyra's acting, just too good.
Hi guys, welcome to The Groundlings. I'm Jeremy Rowley. This is an improv and sketch theater.
Before we continue, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for you to build your business and brand online. Whether you're just starting out, you want to manage a growing brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful looking website, engage with your audience, and sell anything that you can think of. Squarespace has so many amazing features. You can create your own online store, whether you want to sell physical or digital products. Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. You can also handle appointments using Squarespace. You can offer online, in-person private sessions, workshops, or even group classes. Squarespace provides everything you need to manage your schedule, accept secure payments, send automatic reminders, and beautifully showcase your services and more. How you display your work is really important, and Squarespace makes it easy by having so many customizable features. With a click of a slider, you can change how large or small your photos are. You can add space in between each picture. I love how they have so many different options for you to display your work the way you want it to be seen. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description.
From this theater have come a lot of really successful performers like Will Ferrell, Lisa Kudrow, Jennifer Coolidge, Pee Wee Herman.
This is cool, like famous people that are on TV have originated here.
We have a lot of different people take our classes, including Tyra Banks.
Of course.
And she's performed on this
Did
very
she learn
stage
that
as a celebrity
fainting
guest.
thing on here?
I always wanted to take a professional acting lesson. Girl, I think I'm made for this stage.
Today, you're gonna be doing some improv games and exercises, and we're gonna help you let your personality come through.
I was really
Okay.
excited about it just because this is gonna help me in panel, for them to see that I'm a goofball without them going, what is she doing?
I'm just gonna ask you to kind of throw yourself into the thing I ask you to do
Okay.
and not judge the result.
Don't judge anything.
Terrified, go!
Terrified.
And now you're Janice Dickinson. Holla! Go!
Okay.
Anger, keep moving as you go. neutral walking. Good. That one was easy. Anger was easy, huh? A simple exercise
On this
like
show,
that
yes.
is going to help you with your modeling. People are going to ask you to do some really interesting things in a modeling shoot, and they're going to want you to commit to it. Can't be like, this is crazy, this is stupid,
Yeah.
right? Next thing we're going to do, you're going to work
Actually,
with a
I do agree with what he says, and I like his approach to this because I do feel like you can tie in acting to modeling. So I think these are really good exercises for the models. As a model, you can definitely pick up things from acting and learning how to express your emotions, and you can do that in your photos, and I think that would be very helpful.
Next thing we're going to do, you're going to work as a team. We're going to create a story together. Okay, this is called One Night Stand.
Dominique walked into the nice, warm bedroom. Improv worries me because you have to come up with things like out of nowhere, and when I'm put on
Like
the
the
spot,
judges.
I become really nervous.
Where he slathered butter all over Lamar.
A little more energy, Molly Sue. I know it's getting... The Princess and Her Doggy.
The princess's mom said that walking her dog is a delightful treatment.
She walked her dog, and one day he became magically inclined to tell her.
Hey, not while she's talking. Your moment interrupted the story, and then all of a sudden the story doesn't make sense anymore, right?
It never made
Sometimes
sense
it's
to
not
begin with.
about you. All right, ladies, I hope
Did she say it's not about you? It's not. It's about Tyra. Where is she? Have her, where is she? So she can come up here and then pass out again on stage. Hey, guys, it's just a joke. It's not real. None of this is real, guys.
All right, ladies, I hope that these lessons will carry with you and you'll use some of these little tips and tricks with you out there. So thanks very much.
I love Jade is just, she's lounged. She had her feet up. I don't like that she interrupted another model while she was doing her thing because you do have to be in the zone for stuff like that, I'm sure, when you're acting. So I don't think that was cool, Jade, for you to do that. But he called her out, and what more is there to do? It's hard enough talking about real stories and then having to make up a story. The story was getting good, and then Jade just had to interrupt. And now I'm never going to know what happened to the magical princess dog. The princess and her dog that was magically inclined. I'm never going to know what the dog told her. No one's going to know because Jade interrupted. Thanks a lot, Jade. Imagine thinking for a moment that the person you idolize, like a celebrity that you love and adore, has just passed out in front of you, and you're trying to help, but there's nothing that you can do. You're thinking the worst, okay? You're thinking the worst. You don't want anything bad to happen to her or him. And then just suddenly they're like, oh, it's just a joke. Just playing a little trick on you. Probably wouldn't be such a great feeling. I have to know what you guys thought of Tyra's performance. I just have to know. What do you think it was okay because she's doing the acting challenge, she's introducing it, or do you think it wasn't necessary? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching, I guess.